everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the double and triple paradiddles. So if you haven't yet watched my video going over the single paradiddle, I would recommend going back and watching that now. You can find the link in my description below, just a single paradiddle. That's what these double and triple ones build on. So it is great to have that foundation that you can then build on with the double and triple. Okay, so paradiddle, we have dig, spank, step, heel. Right, nice and simple, nice 4 sounds. Dig, spank, step, heel. When we go to do a double paradiddle, you're going to add an extra dig, spank. So when you do go from here, you're going to go dig, and then you're going to go spank. Keeping your foot in the air, you're then going to go back down for another dig, and then finish out your paradiddle like normal. Okay, so you're just adding that dig, spank to the top of a paradiddle. So from here, you're going to go dig, spank, and then dig, spank, step, heel. Same thing on the other side. Dig, spank, step, heel. Keep it going here. Nicely done. It's called a double because we're adding on that extra beginning to it, and so it makes it double of what the single was. So let me show you from the back here. So again, you have dig, spank, step, heel. Good. Say you wanted to take it a little bit faster. Let's give that a try. And here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. So when we do our triple, instead of just doing one more extra dig spank, you're now going to do 2 extra. So from here, you're going to go dig, spank, and then another one, dig, spank, and now you're going to do your paradiddle. So dig, spank, step, heel. So when we do our triple, we're starting with 2 extra beginnings of that paradiddle. So from here again, we have dig, spank, then paradiddle. Other side, dig, spank, another one, paradiddle. Again, dig, spank, second time, paradiddle. These are very common. You'll find these in transitions, or not transitions, but like paradiddle variations. So in a dance, you might see a paradiddle, and then another one, and then as kind of a break in between, you'll see a triple. I don't see double used as much. It's not as common, and it's not as easy to put in as a triple is. A triple is, it finishes the phrase for you. So you have 1, 2, and 3. With a double, it's a little bit of an awkward rhythm. So it would be from here, 1, 2, and then you would still need to finish it off with, like, say, another paradiddle. So it's more of an awkward rhythm. So I see more of like 2 single paradiddles and then a triple. So let me show you from the back here the triple paradiddle. So 2 extra sounds on top of or 2 extra dig spanks on top of the regular paradiddle. So from here, dig, spank, paradiddle. Left side, dig, spank. Now paradiddle. 2 more times. Last time here. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.